KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my easy pastrami hash. Alright, I'm going to use up some leftover bits and pieces that make up a real quick, easy meal. Alright, first thing I've got is some leftover pastrami. If you don't want to make pastrami yourself, you can go to your local delicatessen and get them to slice up some nice thick pastrami. And next thing we're going to do is get some potatoes. I'm just going to peel those, cube those up into nice little sort of half-inch chunks thereabouts. Put them in some salted water, bring them up to the boil for about 15-20 minutes until a skewer goes through. And when the skewer goes through nice and easily, they're cooked perfectly, we can take those off and we're going to strain those out over the sink, of course. Alright, so the potatoes should be nice and tender, just like that. Right, so we go and strain those off, and here I've got a pan just with around about 60 grams worth of butter. Just put that straight in like that. Okay, now my potatoes, they've all come down to a nice room temperature, and we'll be ready to start making up our beautiful hash. There's our potatoes, they're going in, and I'm just going to leave those in the butter, get a little bit of colour on them. If you don't want to use butter, you want to use just a bit of oil, you certainly can, but butter will give you better flavour. So just keep stirring those around, get some nice bits of crunchy bits on them. You can even give them a little bit of a carve up with your spoon in the pan. Just get nice crunchy bits all over. Okay, so you can give them a little bit of a crunch up just like that. And this is not going to take very long at all to make up. Very, very easy to do. Alright, so potato, that's the important bit. We want to get some nice colour, and you can give them a bit of a smush down if you like, just like that. This is the hardest part of making this dish, is just getting the colour on the potato. Alright, so let's get on with another bit. I've got some leftover shredded cabbage, which I've just done on my mandolin, and this is leftover from when I was going to make up some sauerkraut and some kimchi. So use up the cabbage, just put that straight into the pan just like that, and that's going to wilt down pretty quickly. And again, we want to try and get a bit of toastage, a bit of colour on that. Now here I've got my leftover bits of pastrami, which I've just cubed up. You can have it thinner if you like, but I'm using just up a little bit of the pastrami that I've got left over from when I made my own pastrami out of corned beef. I'm just going to let that sit, get a bit of colour on there, let the cabbage cook down, and let the heat get into the pastrami, and before you know it, you've got your own pastrami hash. How easy was that to do? Very quick, very, very simple. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home, whether you want to make your own pastrami or buy it from the store. I'll leave that up to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make great leftover recipes just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll bring my pastrami hash, and I will catch you next time. Bye.